Hey, what's cracking, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Cardano analysis video. The much-awaited Cardano analysis. Krisha, this is a bloodbath. What's happening? Drawdowns across the board. Look at my right-hand column. Cardano, Bitcoin, AVAX, STX, OP, everything is down. Everything is down, guys. And also, for those of you asking me, Krisha, are you in all of these coins? No. Please do not use my sidebar as financial advice. I'm going to say it again and again. Okay, so now what's happening with Cardano? Let's just cut to the chase. Cardano, guys, we've been talking about once again. I'm going to draw your attention to, well, those critical levels that we've been looking at for months on end, right? 3 war zones being 116. Okay, 68 cents and 59 cents. That's our 3 war zones, and it appears that these 2 war zones at 59, 68, they are relentless, right? This is where the drawdown is happening. Now, I'll say this, guys. We lose 59 cents. I'm saying the bears are taking over in bigger ways, okay? At the very least, I'm looking at another 12% drawdown for Cardano. Alright, so today I'm going to tell you exactly how I'm going to be managing my positions. Now, many of you guys know we've been talking about Cardano since this 30-cent region right here. Right, so yes, we do have positions on there. Am I keeping those positions? Yes. Okay, I don't intend on selling them. I don't think prices are going to come back down to 30 cents, at least not the bear market lows. However, as far as my most recent position on Cardano, the most recent one is concerned, this was it right here. I actually have them drawn out in boxes. I will be de-risking out of this one. Okay, so just a heads up on that. I will keep this one intact, however. Okay, but this one here gets de-risked. So now how do I intend? So what's the TA here? What are the charts telling us? What's the TA telling us? Well, first thing is that we're losing the level at around 59 cents. No confirmed closes underneath it, but it's looking weak enough right now. We might very well see this actually break today, if anything. Now, what is going to really confirm the break? Keep it simple, stupid. Okay, once again, 2 confirmed closes underneath 59 cents is going to confirm the break. However, is all done for ADA? No. Okay, yes, I'm going to be getting intermediate bearish at that point. We start losing the war zone. I'm going to be giving the war zone the attention that it deserves, because this has been a massive long-term region of contention for Cardano ever since the bear market breakdown. Just to drive this in once again, just look at this entire region right here. Okay, this right here, and now once again. However, that being said, there's something different this time around that we did not have in the other 3-4 instances where Cardano was up against this war zone, and that is this, the weekly dynamic indicator. I've been telling you guys this, harping on about it, well, since the last cycle, actually. The dynamic support is my friend here, okay? This is my edge on the chart, and I don't want to fight against it, and that's why I'm only looking to de-risk that one position that I built on that 59-cent region, right? Because we're up against dynamic support, I'm not going to be getting too cute with the rest of my positions that I built on 30 cents, as well as this region right here at around 51 cents. Dynamic support, for those of you who want to take note of this number, comes in from around 57 cents all the way down to 55 cents. I will be annotating the exact numbers on my screen. Of course, if you have a heavy position on Cardano, then I definitely suggest checking out the Mango Dynamic Indicator. You'll find it on the mangoway.com/dynamic. Now, why am I giving the dynamic indicator that much importance? Because notice, guys, ever since we actually took it out right here, this was bear market bottom. Okay, it was a dynamic that gave us that first call, and that, hey, this is heading off to the races. Now is the time to get those positions in if you're not already in, right? If you did not catch that bear market bottom, which was very clear, but hey, it still gave you a really good opportunity. And so far, guys, every dip into the dynamic has been met with support. That's where the buyers stepped in, right? Now, question is, do the buyers step in once again? They might very well step in. So I'm not getting too cute with the rest of my Cardano position on weekly dynamic support. No freaking way. In fact, even that previous bear market, it's the dynamic that kept you safe, told you, hey, now's not the time to be getting bullish. Now's not the time to be getting bullish. Now's not the time to be getting bullish. It was just here. In fact, I took this trade, by the way. I caught the trade on the test of the dynamic, but what happened, guys? Dynamic turned blue. We broke into it, telling me, hey, I am wrong on that trade. Now's the time to get out. But what does that do for me? What did that do for me right there? It kept me close to my entry. When you are super close to your entry, as well as your invalidation, you get to get out with a minimal loss. All right, so the dynamic is a good level to really catch those amazing bids off of, because you get to stay really tight with the trend right there. And also remember, previous bull market, guys, previous bull market, check it out. All right, this was the bear market phase right here. We started taking out and living over the dynamic in earnest. Cardano caught bids on dynamic support. Once again, off to the races. Every test was met with support. These were buyers on buyers on buyers, right? Until we lost it in earnest. Once again, I will be heeding to dynamic support right here as well. Okay, so weekly dynamic support. Also daily, notice what the daily did, guys. The daily also gave you the signal in that, hey, the bears are winning out here. We tried for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive days to reclaim that region. Right? This is really powerful. Trust me, it's powerful. It's going to keep you on the right side of this. Now get into the Mango dashboard. Let's go ahead and filter out Cardano from this list. ADA USDT, of course, you guys can find the dashboard on app.mangoresearch.co. The dashboard called it before even I called it. Good shit. Okay, shorts across the board from the 4-hour to the 2-day time frame. Jeez Louise, the bears are intense here. Follow through on each and every single time frame. Notice volatility on the 12-hour all the way to the 2-day time frame, guys. We have low to moderate volatility on those levels. This is telling me that volatility is compressed on Cardano. Okay. Now, every time volatility compresses, I'm usually looking for an expansion move. But in what direction? Where does the volatility expand to? Does it go to the upside? Does price move to the upside or to the downside? Well, to find the answer to that question, fall back onto your trend. What is your trend telling you? Is it bullish or is it bearish? It's freaking bearish. Call a spade, it's bearish here. Okay. So if we do get the volatility expansion, the high probability setup is that it expands to the downside. So the bears take over there. All right, 4-hour, however, it's hovering at 76, a bit frothy, but I think the bears still have a bit more juice to take this down even further. So heads up on that. ADA USDT. Okay, so now that we see that, okay, the bears have taken over as far as the trends are concerned from the lower time frames to the mid time frames, so we can look for further downside. So where to from here? Because I'm telling you that, hey, Cardano does have that weekly dynamic support that it's sitting right, that's sitting right underneath price. I'll say this, we're likely, I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing a consolidation between dynamic support and the Kijun. So this is the range that I'm looking at for Cardano right now. Until maybe in the month of, it's April, happy April. Month of May, I believe, is when we could very well start seeing reversals, either mid-May, end of May. But I wouldn't be surprised if we see the Cardano's consolidation within this range right here. And this is the 12% range that I'm talking about. All right, from our prices out right now to that Kijun, that's a good, yeah, 11%. All right, it's only when we start breaking the Kijun will I say that, hey, back down to 45 cents, this entire zone. Okay, this zone, by the way, I'll be annotating the numbers on my screen once again, 45 cents to 40 cents. So for those of you wondering, Krisha, what is your overarching view on the entire market right now? Is this bear market territory once again? Are we getting to that slump once again? Is this over? Is the bull market over? No. Simple answer, no. I do not think that the bull market is over. In fact, on the Mango dashboard, guys, get into the dashboard, guys, get into the premium videos section. I just posted a premium video on FTM. This was my trade update. I gave you guys another update for those of you who've been following me on the trade. You're still up a good 2x, by the way. Even after the drawdown, you're still up a good 2x on the FTM trade. So, yeah, this is the update right here. But a couple of videos ago, I gave you, the last premium video I did was this. I'm going to zoom in. A comprehensive analysis on alt season. Should you be buying the F and dip on the altcoins? Okay, so I actually give you my entire altcoin season thesis right here. Now, it's a long video. It's a relatively long video, but a very informative one. So far, price action is following the thesis so far. Okay, but my thesis, guys, is I don't think that this is the end of the bull run. I think we're still in the middle of the bull run, okay, and I believe that every intermediate drawdown is one that that I'm going to be bidding. Okay, now this is what I am going to be doing. This is not financial advice to you. Of course, I will be giving you my analysis as we get more price action on the chart, but any deep drawdowns that I see is going to be, I'm going to be looking to bid those drawdowns. Okay, so as far as Cardano is concerned, I don't think Cardano's bull market is done just yet. We could see further downside for Cardano, maybe perhaps spanning all the way down to the Kijun. But I believe there's still more to go on this trade. I won't be surprised that this year we started getting up to the all-time highs at around $3. My long-term thesis is still intact. All right, I'm not wavering on that. So now that you know how I intend on managing my current position, you know what levels I'm looking at, you know my short time frame thesis, which is, hey, I think the bears are taking over. However, I'm not looking to get too cute with my positions here because we're currently on weekly dynamic, which has been well, it's been helping us, it's been guiding us throughout the entire macro trend on ADA. You have that too, as well as you have the entire range of opportunity that I'm looking at right now, which actually spans from the dynamic all the way down to the Keynesian right there. All right, so this is the zone that I'm going to be gunning for. If we see further downside on ADA, I will be looking for that Keynesian to be lost. Alrighty, but yeah, this is the current thesis. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like. If you have questions on ADA, get into the Discord chat. I'd say comment. Anyways, leave your comments down below. I will be getting to your comments. I promise this time around. I know that the markets are red and people are a bit fearful. So I'm going to be trying and giving you guys the extra time that is needed. So I will be answering any questions that you might have in the comment section below. All right, but one better, guys, just get into the Discord chat. Everyone there is talking about TA. You get to make new friends. You get to bounce ideas off of other people. You'll find the Discord chat on the mangoWay.com/Discord. Okay, now I hope you guys enjoyed this one. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.